Hello dear friends, good morning. Due to internet speed issue, I have decided to make videos and share it to you so that as per your convenient you can see as you get good internet speed and as per your time availability. But time availability does not matter. But internet speed is a very big issue today's. So I will try to make you understand the things via these videos. So let us start today's class. Yeah, I think you are able to see on the screen Bernoulli's equation for real fluid. Bernoulli's equation for real fluid. Previously we have studied the Bernoulli's equation for ideal fluid. Ideal fluid means no viscosity of fluid having no friction. Outcome of no viscosity is no friction, and like this. But now we are going to study Bernoulli's equation for real fluid. I think you are able to see in point number 2 that one pipe is there. I have taken two sections, section 1 and section 2. At section 1 velocity is v1, pressure is p1, and this datum level I have taken for considering the potential head. So at point section 1 potential head is Z1. At section 2 pressure is P2, velocity is V2, and potential head is Z2. Let us see the point number 3. Let between section 1 and 2 total loss of head. Head means energy per unit weight. I have already explained to you that what is the head. Head is the energy per unit weight. So let between section 1 and 2 total loss of head, I mean energy loss per unit weight, is HL. Then what will be equation of Bernoulli's? Total energy at point 1 is equal to total energy at point 2 plus whatever losses is occurred between section 1 and 2 plus loss of head between section 1 and 2, which I have taken as HL. So next line I am writing the mathematical equation for that. Total energy at point 1 will be, as we know that total energy is pressure head, kinetic head and potential head. Pressure head is P1 by rho g. Rho is the density of the fluid flowing through the pipe, plus V1 square by 2g is the kinetic head, plus Z1 potential head. This is measured from datum level that we can take as per our convenience. Datum level we can take our convenient. Is equal to total energy at 2 section 2, that is pressure head P2 by rho g plus, that is the kinetic head V2 square by 2g plus Z2 potential head, plus whatever losses occurred between 1 and 2 plus this is the loss of head HL. Now this equation is called Bernoulli's equation for real fluid. In short, we can write this H1 head at point section 1 is equal to head at section 2 plus HL, loss between section 1 and 2. Now we come on a numerical, because without numerical we cannot understand or we learn properly any concept or any theorem or any mathematical and concept of engineering. So let us consider a numerical. A pipe of diameter 400 mm carries water at a velocity of 25 meter per second. Full stop. The pressure at point A and B are given as 29.43 Newton per centimeter square and 22.563 Newton per centimeter square respectively, while the datum head at A and B are 28 meter and 30 meter. Full stop. Find the loss of head between A and B. I have already told number of times you that while you are going to solve the numerical, very first thing is you read it properly and try to understand that what is being told in numerical. This is the first step during solving the numerical. So after reading properly, you sketch a figure and then write all the data, label all the data on the figure, whatever possible. And other data you can write besides of that. So here it is written that diameter of pipe is 400 mm and point A and B datum head is 28 meter and 30 meter. So I have drawn a sketch of pipe diameter 400 mm and potential head at A is shown 28 meter and at B is shown 30 meter. And the pressure at point A and B are given 29.43 Newton per centimeter square and 22.560 Newton per centimeter square respectively. That I have shown at A and B. At A, pressure is 29.43 Newton per centimeter square and at B 22.563 Newton per centimeter square. And I have written here clearly that it is the pipe and velocity is given 25 meter per second. Because the cross section of pipe is uniform, so velocity at A and B will not be changed. As we know that if section will same, then velocity will same. So VA is equal to VB is equal to 25 meter per second. That I have written here. Now, first step, because we are using SI unit, so first we will change the pressure in SI unit. Here I have written also data and figure indicating in this direction, and whatever we have to find, that I have written here clearly. Head loss between A and B.